Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cookie Janis, and so today I'm bringing a Halloween makeup tutorial, and this will be my first Halloween makeup tutorial on this channel. And so I'm going to be using paint, decals, and to make this cute headband. If you'd like to see how I made this headband, just look in the description box and you'll be able to find a link to the video of me making this DIY headband. And so I'm just gonna go on and start the video right now. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave the questions below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on so you can see every time I post. And thank you guys so much for being wonderful subscribers, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this decal sticker, and so I already did my eyebrows, and so now I'm just going to go ahead and start putting my decals on my face. I have a little bowl of water here, and I'm just gonna dip it into a little bit of paper towels, and you'll see how I'm gonna do it in a second. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this. I just opened it, and so there's two that comes in each packet, and this was like $4.99. I got it at the seasonal Halloween store called Spirit. And so I'm going to go ahead with these, and I'm just going to cut them into little, just outline them basically. So I'm just cutting out the tattoos right now. So this is the first part I cut. You probably can't see it. This is the first part I cut. So my face was getting a little oily, so I went and I wiped off my face with wipes. I used the makeup remover by Neutrogena. And so I'm going to go back with this. First, let me tell you, you have to remove this little thin foil that's going to come off of it. You have to remove that first, and then you get this, and then you can put it on your face. And let's see, we're going to do this one more time. This one, you're just going to go in with it, and you just want to put it sideways. This whole decal thing is pretty much self-explanatory. It's a little annoying. I don't like anything wet and dampy on my face, so it's a little annoying. At this point, I'm just going to put this stuff randomly because it's taking me way too long. Okay, let's take it off and see how it looks. Alright, since I put it all on now, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to just use this little brush to put a little bit of foundation on my skin so it just all looks even, but I'm not going to put a lot, just a little bit. So I went ahead and put my little headband over my hair. So I made this headband from scratch. It was all from the dollar store. All the stuff I used to make this headband. If you would like to see how I made this headband, just look in the description box. I'm going to make sure to include a link of how I made this headband. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take my black eyeshadow and I'm just going to go ahead and put it, let's see, I'm going to put it in this circle in here, and so I'm just going to use black eyeshadow. I think if you don't want to change this look or do anything with it, you can also, you don't have to do anything with it, but I mean, I want it to look more of a Halloweenish look than a pretty look at this point. I kind of don't want to put a lot because I don't want to scare myself with this. I'm pretty sure this is going to be tragic when taking it off. It's a lot of black eyeshadow. If you're interested in buying any lipstick, I would suggest to go on MahreeCosmetics.com. I'll leave the link in the description. And if you're interested in getting this hair that I'm wearing, go to VegasQueenHair.com. And there are many different selections. Alright, so this would be it for this look. And so if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll be able to answer all your questions. I really like it. It was really simple and quick to do. It was kind of on a budget look. I didn't have to spend hundreds of dollars to get this done. It was super easy. Like I said, the decal was $5 at the Halloween store, and the headband, I made this myself, and it cost me less than $5 to make this headband. And so there you go. You have a look that is under $10. If you want to see more tutorials like this, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys later.